changing the screen on my nephew's iPhone. Yeah, it's rather beat up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this old one out, of course, and put in a new one. Nothing really to it. I'm not gonna do a detailed video, but this is just something that I do on the side. So check this out. With the iPhone 7, this is the regular 7, by the way. What you do with this, they say to heat it up around the bottom edge to get everything loose so you can break through the glue. If you don't have anything like I do, like a heat gun or a bag of potatoes or something, I don't know, I just use a little razor. Since it was already broken, I just stuck it in between there, slid it in there, and kind of pried at it a little bit. And once I get it up, they also give you a suction cup with this kit. Seeing that it won't really suck to anything, I just used the razor instead. And once I got it up just a little bit up under that edge, I used this to finish prying it up. So once I did that, it comes apart. But make sure you start from the bottom because the top is kind of hinged underneath the case itself. So when you're doing this, make sure you be careful, and the power is off because all your ribbon cables are going mainly to one side, which you see a little bit right there. And if you don't have any idea where it is, you look at the new screen and it pretty much shows you how everything lays out. But as you see, I got to replace the camera from the old screen, the home button, and stuff like that. And as far as the glue, don't worry about that. As long as everything snaps into place when you put everything back together, it'll hold together. So that's the easy part. So to finish it up, I left out a lot of stuff. So everything's back together, it's working. The screen is one solid piece. And now we just got to charge the battery up. So that's done. And missed a bunch of phone calls and a bunch of text messages, but it's all good and it's working. Any questions, comments, worries, drop them below, and like, share, and subscribe.